The noise you are hearing now is a noise from the power steering pump, and as you can see, this is a bubble from the power steering reserved. What do you think will be the cause of this? Let us look at it together and see how we can fix this together. The bubble is a sign that there is air in the system. Then how could air come to the system? The setting that is leakage somewhere. So you need to trace the leakage. That is the first thing you need to do. You need to trace the leakage. And how can you trace the leakage? There is a tool for that. And you can also do a physical checking and see if there is a leak hose. What is certain is that there is a leakage somewhere. That is why you see bubbles coming out, and because the air is now going to the pump, that is why you are hearing that noise. As soon as the air is not going to the pump again, the noise will disappear. So another possibility that could be the cause of it is that you allow the fluid to fill totally from the reservoir before you fill it. So it has allowed air to go into the pump, and as you are trying to refill it, then there is air in the system again because the pump has sucked in air. That is why you have air in the system. So what is the solution? The solution is that you need to bleed the system. You need to bleed the system if the cause of the problem is as a result of you didn't refill it on time. So you allow air into the system before you refill it because of low level of fluid. So that is what you have to do. You have to ensure that you bleed the system. If you don't know how to bleed the system, you can watch another video on how to bleed the system. If you can bleed the system, then you get the air out. But if because of that problem is as a result of leakages, then you need to trace where the leakage is. If you don't know where the leakage is, then you still keep having that problem. You can trace where the leakage is. Maybe there is a broken hose or one or two things that cause the leakage. You can trace the place, you can replace the hose, then you will not have this kind of problem again. If you have value for this from this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share, or you can do one of it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. I also have another video that I would like you to watch.